Mixing bowls with airtight lids set. 26 PCS stainless steel khaki bowls with greater attachments. Non-slip bottoms. Amp kitchen gadgets set. Size 74252015 QT. Great for mixing amp serving. About this item: airtight lids. Amp 3 greater attachments. The airtight lids that come with this mixing bowl set make it easy to store ingredients and leftovers without worrying about spills or leaks. 3/5 quarts had a removable lid inside the main lid for adding contents or pairing it with your blender without removing the entire lid to prevent splash. This bowl set comes with 3 different grater attachments: slicing, grating, shredding. Just shred or slice right into the bowl. Non-slip silicone bottoms. The rubber on the bottom of the mixing bowls is for gripping and staying put, which prevents sliding on the countertops when mixing and also protects the desk from high temperatures. Attention: the stainless steel bowls needs to be cleaned in time after use to avoid excess stains caused by rust, especially oil stains. Nesting bowls. Amp dishwasher safe. These kitchen serving bowls can be nested together and offer space